All right, guys, I bought this. Oh yeah, and girls too. I bought this tailgate hinge controller device, however you want to call it. Got the same thing on the hood. And the thing about this is it says it's from 2002 and present, so that would mean third generation, fourth generation. I don't know about the fifth generation. So this is fabulous EZDown. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work on the Highway Forever project, which is a 2002, but I know what they meant by 2002 and up. As you know, third generation starts at 2002 for their 1500s. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, I came to the unpleasant conclusion that this is not going to work. Even though they give you some extra pieces for this setup, the problem is they give you this extra piece here. The problem is with the third generation, you can unscrew this. This right here doesn't come out. So I don't have a problem in taking this out and using this shock, but it doesn't fit. When I put it on and I extend it as much as I could, the tailgate wouldn't open all the way. So this is clearly not going to work. It's a bummer. If I can figure out some way of doing it, I'll get back to everybody, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to. Because when you close the gate, it bends. The cable, it bends. With this does not bend. So maybe next time, man. All right, guys and girls, take care.